In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement a snake sort pick path in Excel using ISEVEN. Start by opening your pick list workbook in Excel. Once the file is open, make sure you can see the full data range, including the header row and the rows you want to sort. In this workflow, the data runs from A1 through D11, and the helper column will be placed in column D. Click cell D2. This is where you will create the sort key helper value for the first data row. Now type the snake sort formula shown on the screen. The formula should use ISEVEN to test the IL value for the current row. It should return the position value normally when the IL is odd, and return the negative version of the position value when the IL is even. As you enter the formula, adjust the cell references so they match the IL and position columns in your own file. If your IL values and position values are not in the same columns shown on screen, change only those references, while keeping the same formula logic. When the formula is complete, press Enter. Now check whether Excel has filled the formula down automatically. If your data was loaded as an Excel table, the formula should copy itself down through row 11, and you do not need to do anything else for this column. If the formula did not fill down, click cell D2 again. Move your pointer to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This square is the fill handle. When your pointer is positioned over it, double-click the fill handle to copy the formula down through row 11. Look down the sort key column to confirm that the formula is working. For rows in odd-numbered aisles, the sort key should match the position value. For rows in even-numbered aisles, the sort key should show the negative version of the position value. So, if aisle 2 has position 5, the sort key should display -5. This works because the sort will later arrange these helper values in ascending order. For even aisles, the positions are stored as negative numbers, so the highest real position becomes the most negative helper value. When Excel sorts those negatives from smallest to largest, the even aisle is effectively walked from the highest position down to the lowest position. Next, click any cell inside the data range, anywhere from A1 through D11. Go to the ribbon at the top of the cell and click the Data tab. In the Sort and Filter group, click Sort. This opens the Sort dialog box. In the first Sort by Row, open the column drop-down and choose Aisle. Leave Sort on Set to Cell Values. Leave Order Set to Smallest to Largest. Now click Add Level near the top left of the dialog box. This adds a second sorting rule. In the new Then by Row, open the column drop-down and choose Sort Key. Leave Sort on Set to Cell Values again, and leave Order Set to Smallest to Largest. Before applying the sort, look at the top right of the dialog box, and make sure My Data has headers as checked. This tells Excel not to sort the header row as if it were normal data. Once that box is checked, click OK. Now verify the pattern by scanning down the aisle and position columns in order. Aisle 1 should show positions 10, then 25, then 40, moving upward. Aisle 2 should show positions 50, then 30, then 5, moving downward. Aisle 3 should show 15, then 35, moving upward again. Aisle 4 should show 45, then 20, moving downward again. That up one aisle, down the next arrangement is the snake path. Reading the palette column from top to bottom now gives the picker a route without backtracking. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your pick list is now sorted into a serpentine walking order. The palette column, read from top to bottom, is the exact sequence the picker should visit. P11, then P102, then P102, then P203, then P203, then P202, then P301, then P301, then P302, then P401. Odd-numbered aisles run from low position to high position, and even-numbered aisles run from high position to low position, creating one continuous zigzag walking path.